No. Theorem number 19, result on acute triangle, also called acute angle triangle theorem. Angle B of triangle ABC is an acute angle and AD is perpendicular to BC. Prove that AC square equal AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. Now given that angle B in triangle ABC, angle B is an acute angle and AD is perpendicular to BC. To prove AC square equal AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. AC square equal AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. Now proof. We have, let it is triangle ABC in which angle B is acute angle and AD is perpendicular to BC. It is given. It is perpendicular. Now we have to prove that AC square means opposite side, square of the opposite side of angle B is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2 BC into BD, where AD is the perpendicular to BC. Now in triangle ABD, angle B is an acute angle Then by using Pythagoras theorem we have angle B is acute angle and angle D is right angle. Then AB square of the hypotenuse is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square equal AD square plus BD square. Now in triangle ADC we have EC square equal AD square plus DC square. EC square equal AD square plus DC square. Then in triangle ADC angle D is right angle. Then by using Pythagoras theorem we have AC square equal AD square plus DC square. Now DC can be written as BC minus BD. DC is obtained when we subtract BD from BC. Now expand this term. We have BC square plus BD square minus 2 BC into BD. Now it can be written as AD square plus BD square Now from first we have AB square equal AD square plus BD square. Then put the value of AD square plus BD square, which is AB square. Then AC square is equal AB square plus BC square minus 2 BC into BD. Reason AD square plus BD square is equal AB square.